Microsoft replaces journalists with robots by Learn with News, Level 2. Microsoft owns the news website MSN. MSN is a website that picks news stories from around the web. Microsoft then pays to put these news stories on the MSN website. Now, Microsoft is replacing its journalists with robots. Journalists at MSN pick which news stories to show on the website. About 50 journalists currently work for MSN, but at the end of June they will not work there anymore. They are being replaced with artificial intelligence, which is now being called robot journalism. Microsoft thinks the AI can pick news stories instead of real people. Some of the journalists don't believe it will do a good job because they think it won't choose the right stories. They think the AI won't know what stories are appropriate for the website. It is difficult to teach AI to do complicated tasks like this. Microsoft is trying to reduce costs. If the AI works, then they can have the same website while paying 50 fewer people. This is a huge saving to Microsoft, but many people don't like this idea. People are worried about losing their jobs because of AI. People in all types of work could be hurt by AI if it replaces them. People are worried about what type of work will still be done by people in the future.